Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy to see you here again, and I'm excited that we're back together after a short break. During this time, we were preparing something special for you. We're back now with harder, smarter, and more exciting challenges designed especially for people who love thinking, analyzing, and pushing their minds to the next level. This video is actually the first episode of our brand new series, and if you enjoy logic puzzles, math challenges, and clever problem-solving techniques, you're definitely in the right place. So before we start, take a quick moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming videos, because we've prepared a lot of creative and challenging content for you. All right, let's get started. On the screen, you can see a figure made of several rectangles. Some of their areas are given, some dimensions are given, and one area, the green rectangle, is missing. Our goal is simple: find the area of the green rectangle. But to do that, we need to carefully use every piece of information provided in the diagram. Before jumping into calculations, I always recommend taking a few seconds to observe the structure of the shape. Try to understand how the rectangles relate to each other, both horizontally and vertically. All right, let's solve it step by step. Let's begin from the bottom left rectangle. We are told that its area is 48 square centimeters. Its width is 6 centimeters. So, using the basic area formula, area equals width times length. We divide 48 divided by 6, and we get the length is 8 centimeters. This is a very important value, so keep it in mind. Now look at the bottom of the figure. The total width is given as 11 centimeters. We already know that 8 centimeters of that width belong to the rectangle with area 48. So to find the width of the right rectangle, the one with area 27, we subtract. 11 minus 8 equals 3 centimeters. Now we know area equals 27, width equals 3. So once again, we divide. 27 divided by 3 equals 9 centimeters. This gives us the height of that right side rectangle. Now let's move vertically. The total height of the figure is 14 centimeters. We just found that the right rectangle has a height of 9 centimeters. So to find the remaining height, the height of the green rectangle, we subtract. 14 minus 9 equals 5 centimeters. Great! Now we already know one dimension of the green rectangle. This is where the puzzle becomes really interesting. Let's go back to the left side of the figure. Notice this. The total height is 14. The bottom left rectangle has a height of 6. So 14 minus 6 equals 8 centimeters. And earlier we found that the length of the 48 area rectangle is also 8 centimeters. That means we have an 8 by 8 square on the left side. The area of an 8 by 8 square is 64 square centimeters, but inside that square, we're told that one of the rectangles has an area of 32 square centimeters. So if 32 is already used, that means 32 square centimeters remain. This tells us something very important. The middle horizontal line cuts the left square exactly in half. That means the length of the top part, the part that aligns with the green rectangle, is 4 centimeters. Now we're almost done. The total length of the green rectangle is made of 4 centimeters from the left part and 3 centimeters from the right part. So 4 plus 3 equals 7 centimeters. Now we have both dimensions of the green rectangle. Length equals 7, width equals 5. Final calculation. Let's calculate the area. 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35 square centimeters. And that's our final answer. Wrap up. If you reached the answer before I did, well done. And even if you didn't, what matters most is understanding the logic behind the solution. That's exactly what this series is all about. Not just answers, but clear thinking and smart strategies. If you enjoyed this puzzle, make sure to like the video and don't forget to comment the correct answer below. Also, if you have ideas for future puzzles or suggestions on how we can improve these videos, I'd love to hear them. Just leave a comment. Until the next challenge, take care, keep thinking, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.